Cheap bathroom improvement ideas. First, revamp the walls. A little paint can go a long way. Even the slightest change in the shade of a color can change the impression a person has about any room. Second, add another mirror. Mirrors are a great way to make your bathroom look twice its normal size. Moreover, they help brighten up the space by reflecting natural light. You can place a mirror above the sink and another on a wall directly opposite the sink. Third, swap the fixtures. Replace all the temporary fixtures such as shelves, toilet paper holder, hooks, towel rails, soap racks, doorknobs, and light switches. There are many great-looking modern fixtures available at very affordable prices. Fourth, regrouting and repolishing. The first place that degrades is the protective seal between the edge of the shower or bathroom and the wall. The seal may crack or have moldy growth on it. Just scrape off the old grouting, vacuum the dust, and regrout the place. The little things go a long way. Fifth, change the shower curtain. Changing the shower curtain is another fantastic way to upgrade your bathroom without spending a fortune. These bathroom decor ideas are inexpensive, simple, and will transform your bathroom. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.